Hi there, I'm Michelle Marsiski. My company is Unity Integration Studios, and I am the Wellness Wonder Woman. The name of my podcast is Unity Radio, and this will make a little bit more sense if I explain just a teeny bit about Unity Integration Studios and how it works as my sort of global vision as I jokingly talk about wanting to have global world vegan domination. And I jest, but it's something I've been thinking about for a very long time. I created the concept of Unity Radio many years ago. The divisions that currently exist in Unity Integration Studios are Unity Pilates and Unity Fitness. I'm actually sitting right now in my home studio space for Unity Pilates and Unity Fitness. Unity Arbonne, which is a certified vegan, and B Corp, which is the highest level of sustainability in products. And I'm working on finalizing the next steps for Unity books. I've got a entrepreneurial gratitude journal that I'm hoping to have published before the end of the year, and then I'm starting to also work on my first vegan book, How Not to Be a Vegan Asshole. So the podcast Unity Radio hasn't actually started, but the idea, as you can tell, there's other divisions as well, like Unity Retreats, Unity Vegan Co., which will be other vegan fitness apparel and other products. Some of those have been on hold because of the pandemic, supply chain issues, and not being able to travel. There's no point in getting the retreats company focus going with the intention, but it'll tie into all of the other divisions, which connects into the pillars of Unity Integration Studios, which is health in mind, heart, body, and soul. So the plan is for the podcast to start by the end of the year. I'm looking at my first interview will actually be someone that's interviewing me on my vegan journey of having been vegan for 31 plus years. It'll be split into probably a 3 or 4 part segment of about 15 to 20 minutes. And then over the hour, there'll also be other 15, 20 minute segments. So the plan is for there to be about 3 of those per show. And that comes from having done a radio show that I did back in the 90s at CJSW, which is a university radio station here in Calgary, where I'm located. And we did this environmental radio show, and also touching on all the other social justice topics and concepts, as well as live music in the studio. So I'll be looking to bring something like that in, or having music and interviews and content that connects through in the way that traditional radio used to be done. So that's my goal and focus for it. And that gives me a sense of the description of it. Like I said, I'm looking to have it launched by December of this year. So I'm looking for the 2 other topics that will go in to join in with my interview that a friend of mine's doing. And I'll actually be on her show as well. We're looking at the topics that will be planned out for the next 3 to 4 segments, because if we have 3 to 4 segments of my interview, that'll be over a month, and that's the goal right now, is to have it monthly. And then I'll be looking at having a co-host potentially that may rotate through, or maybe having a co-host for a quarter of the year, and then having someone else come in, and that way sharing the duties of the podcast a little bit around. And that's what I did with the environmental radio show. We had a collective of probably it varied from anywhere from 4 to 10, 12 people that and I did interviews and hosting and technical stuff as well on the radio show back then, including being in the interview suite, doing interviews with things like the head of the Green Party back in Alberta at the time, the environment minister. I interviewed Anita Roddick, the founder and owner of the Body Shop back in the 90s. So there's a lot of ideas that I want to take that I never got to do back then and bring forward into Unity Radio. The audience is going to be quite varied. Obviously, people that are interested in those topics around health and wellness, fitness, nutrition, social justice. But I'm also looking to see how that can tie into a business conversation. I just attended a really great talk today at ATB Entrepreneurial Center here in Calgary, and there's a lot of great business conversations that happen in those, and seeing how that, because a lot of entrepreneurs as well as a lot of consumers are interested in being more aware of the world around them and the products they consume and how their business can have a social impact on the planet. And a lot of businesses are looking at doing things that are doing better for the world and having maybe a social justice element or a donation to a charity or something like that within their business. So I think having those conversations within Unity Radio, there's a lot of opportunity to touch on the business side as well as the general consumer side. So I think it also gives a sense of the type of guests that I'd be looking for in the show, experts that can speak on those topics. And I think the idea of those and the guest development and the audience, I'm still developing, but I believe that that will grow. And what else to share? I think that's it. I actually had to redo this on my phone. And actually, the intent is it won't be in this space. I actually have a space just over on the other side of me here that will be set up in a conversational approach. So that way, if I have somebody local that actually can come into the studio, they'll come here and do the interview with me. And then if not, it'll be on Zoom. And I actually did my recording on Zoom and something happened and it didn't work. So I'm redoing it on my phone. So hopefully, and then I'll redo it a proper, better version that was the concise one on Zoom or on a video system in order to get that up on my YouTube channel properly. But I wanted to do this for the Grand Connections podcast collaboration challenge. And I don't unfortunately have my space set up that I'll have, but it'll be around the concept of, I guess it's a very Canadian thing. I'm thinking of like, have two chairs like the one I'm sitting on, and I've got, they have red covers for them. So it's sort of like the red chairs that George Stroumboulopoulos had, looking for that very conversational, very intimate, and very relational type of approach to these topics, because some of them can be very deep and very intense and very challenging, but I want to be able to bring that right into your space and into your room or into your ears in order to be able to connect people to those conversations. So once again, I'm Michelle Marsiski. My company's Unity Integration Studio, and I'm the Wellness Wonder Woman. I hope that Unity Radio is something that you're interested in being involved with, and the vision of Unity Radio can come to life. Have a great night.